Hey, this is Giovanni Adrian BMX, and today I'll be doing a bike check. So let me start by the top of my bike. We're gonna start with the bars. The bars I have right now is the BSD passenger bars. They're really good. And you can see they're really wide. There's a sticker right there. And I have the Colt Alex Kennedy grips with them. I also have Odyssey bar on the other side and Colt that came with the grips because I lost my bar. So yeah, I'll be getting new ones soon. I have the Sabrosa Hold Tight stem. It's really good. I don't know if you can see the color right there. Yeah, it's a really good stem. I really like the color. It's like reddish and pink. But yeah, the forks I have right now, it's the Mission Circuit forks. They're really good and really light actually. I love them. They're really strong. And so yeah, there's the dropouts all the way to the top. I have the Colony Pineapple front wheel with the Colony front hub right there, and the rim and 14 gauge spokes. So yeah, I also have the Odyssey 8 taking 2.35 size tire. It's a really good tire for landing smooth on big gaps and all this stuff. Alright, let's move to my frame. My frame, I have a King Titan 21-inch frame. It's really good and really light actually. It's like 4 pounds I think. It's a King Titan sticker. Another sticker, Spanish actually. And so yeah. The headset I have, I forget that Fed stock headset. I don't need a new one. It's really good, so why buy a new one? Alright, let's move to the bottom of my bike. I have a Fed 25 tooth sprocket. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's a sticker. Fed right there. And oh yeah, that's a sprocket. And I have Fed stock cranks. They're brand new, so I don't need new ones right now. And so yeah, I don't know if you can see it right there. Yeah. I have BSD Safari pedals. They're on sale, but they're really good. I don't know if you can see it right there. It says, you see they have like 20 pins on each side, so they have a lot of grip. But so you can, I've been having this for about 2 weeks now, and already lost like, I don't know if you can see it right there, like 3-4 pins on each side. So yeah, you might want to think about that. Alright, let's move to the back. Well, actually no, to the top. I have the Fin Fat seat. It's really good and really comfortable. With a fit stock seat post and integrated seat clamp. Alright, let's move to the back. And there I have a Colony back ram. I don't know if you can see right there. With the Colony Wasp cassette hub. Right there. It's a really loud cassette with 14 gauge spokes and Odyssey 8 taking 2.35, same size as the front. For the back, really good tires. Oh, I also forget, I have Odyssey, the Odyssey Bluebird chain. I don't know if you can see it right there. It's right there. It's a really good chain actually. Have to snap on me or nothing like that. So yeah, let me turn my bike around. Let me put this thing down. Actually, you know what? No, never mind. Alright, on this side, what can I show you? I start from the front. I have the G-Sport Gland front hub guard, universal. It's really good actually for the spokes and the hub guard. And I have a fit front hub. I mean front peg. You can see right there, fit by Co. So yeah, I barely got it the other day. And on this side, I have the Shadow Conspiracy Curbus bottom bearings. Right there, they're really good, Spanish. And the Colony hub guard for the Colony West cassette hub. And some random pack I got. So yeah, that was my bike check. If I'm not gonna do the cassette sound check, I already have the another video on my channel. So yeah, I don't need to do that. I'll be getting new parts today. I'm gonna order bar ends, probably, I don't know, headset and pegs, and getting another hub guard for the front. Also, I think I'm getting a new sprocket and probably new pedals from my friend. So yeah, you might want to check that. Dance Come unboxing. I'll be uploading that video soon, probably in 4 days. So yeah, this was my bike check. Please like, subscribe. I really care about the internet points. So yeah, thanks. Bye.